Let's solve the equation t equals r over 2 dg times h plus r over 3, solving for the letter h. We're going to use Sam and Deb, which is the order of our operations backwards. Notice how h plus r over 3 is in brackets, and we do the contents of brackets last. So what we'll have to do is take a look at the contents outside of the brackets first. So is there any subtraction and addition happening to h outside of the brackets? So in here, no. Okay, so we can check those off. Is there any multiplication or division happening to h outside of the brackets? And yes, it's being multiplied by r over 2 dg. So what we'll do is we'll divide both sides. We'll do the opposite operation. So we'll divide both sides by r over 2 dg. On the left side, that will make 1. And to keep the equal sign, we have to do the same operation. We have to divide t by r over 2 dg. So now, looking outside the brackets, is there any is there any exponents outside the brackets? No, it's just 1 times h plus r over 3. So now that the outside of the brackets have been dealt with, we can look at the inside of the brackets, and we'll do that. I'll just change the color of my pen to red. We'll do the last little bit in red. So now we go back to the beginning and we do the order of operations to the contents within the brackets. So we have h plus r over 3. There's some addition happening to h, so we'll do the opposite operation, which is subtract r over 3. And r over 3 minus r over 3 makes 0. So to keep our equal sign, we'll have to do the same to both sides. So we're going to subtract r over 3. It's a little messy. Let me write it again. So now it's t over r over 2 dg minus r over 3 equals, this is 1, bracket h plus 0. So that essentially is just 1 times h, which is h. Now because the left side equals the right side, we can rewrite this as h equals t over r, or half an r, dg minus r over 3. And that's our final answer. For some of you, you don't like having this denominator in fraction form, so we can simplify this. Let's see how we can do this. The common denominator, well actually, let's take away this half. So we're going to multiply the numerator and the denominator by 2, right? Essentially 2 over 2, which is 1. So that makes t over 2t, 2 r over 2 dg, and that would make 1 minus r3. So now it's h equals 2t r d little g minus r3. Others would rather have this as a 1, as is further simplified, having a common denominator, which is, looks like 3 r d g, sorry about that, d r d g. And to achieve that, we'll have to multiply the numerator by 3, and 3r dg here, we'll have to multiply this numerator by r dg, lower g. So this is h equals 6t minus rr, which is r squared, d little g, and the common denominator is 3r dg. So we'll accept that as well.